last video, I got a slime making kit. Well, today's video is the video where I will be making slime. So here's the kit, and here's the stuff inside of the kit. We got 2 popsicle sticks, this thing, and paint, glitter, slime making sodium, or powder, whatever you call it, clear glue, and an instruction pamphlet. So it said to put 15 ml of glue in a bowl, which is not including the pad, but it also mentioned water, so I put the water in a separate bowl ready to pour once I put the glue inside. Oh yeah, satisfying. Alright, now I'm putting both in this bowl. Ooh. It said I use 15 ml of hot water, but I use like warm water. So we're gonna see how this works out. Alright guys, let's see how this goes. Well guys, I'm back and all of my slimes have failed. I made like 5 of them and they all are failed. Like this is my last one I made. It's too hard. This one is a little softer, but also too hard. This is the very first one I made, and I think it's the best, but the problem is you can't really do anything with it. It's all hard. I guess I don't have the skills. The overall conclusion I can make about this video is if you fail at making slime, you're better off just buying slime online. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. And if you can subscribe by clicking on the watermark on the bottom right hand corner of this video. Cheerio.